Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho CRM for customer management, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, select Setup. Under the customization section, click on Modules and Fields. Identify the module you want to configure, such as leads or contacts. Click on the module to access its configuration options. Here, you can add, edit, or remove fields according to your customer management needs. To add a new field, click on the Add Field button. Choose the type of field you want to create, such as text, number, or dropdown. Fill in the required details, such as field name and description. Once done, click Save to add the new field to the module. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Users and Control. Here, you can manage user access and roles within Zoho CRM. Assign roles based on the tasks each user will perform. To create a new role, click on Roles in the submenu. Click on the Add Role button and fill in the name and permissions for the role. Now, navigate to the Automation section in the Settings menu. Select Workflow Rules to create automated processes. Click on Create Rule and choose the module for which the workflow will apply. Define the rule conditions to trigger the workflow. Next, select the actions you want to automate, such as sending email alerts or task assignments. Once you configure the actions, click Save to complete the workflow setup. Go back to the main settings menu and select Email. In this section, you'll set up email integration for seamless communication with your customers. Connect your business email by following the on-screen instructions. After integration, head to the Reports section in the Settings menu. Here, you can create customized reports to analyze customer data. Click on Create Report and choose the module you want to report on. Define the parameters and metrics for your report. Once completed, save the report for future reference. Finally, explore the mobile section to enable CRM access on mobile devices. Download the Zoho CRM mobile app to manage customer data on the go. Now your Zoho CRM is configured for effective customer management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.